Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of underwater exploration with a look at the advanced 4K VR underwater drone, specifically the ultimate marine exploration tool EVO with ARM. This isn't just any underwater gadget. It's designed to give you an unparalleled view of the marine environment. The headline feature is immersive 4K video recording. It promises high-resolution footage that, combined with VR capability, should offer a truly unique first-person perspective of what's happening beneath the waves. FPV performance is intuitive and real-time, relying on seamless Wi-Fi connectivity to bring those underwater visuals straight to you. Getting down there is handled by a substantial 100-meter cable, giving plenty of depth to explore. Control comes via a robust remote system, suggesting reliable command over the drone's movements. Powering explorations is a long-lasting 9,000 mAh battery, rated for up to 4 hours of operation. Plenty of time to cover serious underwater territory. Physically, the drone measures about 15 by 13 by 5.6 inches. It's constructed from plastic and comes in white. It's built to be quite resilient, capable of operating in temperatures from a chilly -10 degrees Celsius up to a warm 60 degrees Celsius, covering a wide variety of aquatic environments. Now, the name mentions a robotic arm. While details on its specific functions aren't provided, its inclusion suggests capabilities beyond just observation, potentially allowing interaction with the underwater environment, whether retrieving objects or manipulating things. This adds another layer to its utility as an ultimate exploration tool. Overall, the EVO with ARM presents itself as a serious piece of kit for anyone looking to explore underwater realms with advanced technology. The combination of 4K VR video, significant depth capability, long battery life, and the intriguing addition of a robotic arm makes it sound like a powerful tool for marine enthusiasts, researchers, or just those curious about what lies beneath the surface. It seems built for both performance and durability across different conditions.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.